Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and right behind me today, I've got a 2016 Ford Fusion. Why don't we take a look? We're gonna start right away up front. You have factory fog lamps. HID headlights will keep you nice and bright at night. And then the chrome grille, very unique, definitely has a sharp look up front. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back, you do have a rear backup camera. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.